Hey, what's up? This is Marvin Carter coming to you from my home here in Texas. Hope this video finds you having a very blessed day. In this particular video, we're going to be talking about why you should be using YouTube in your video content marketing. Let's get it. Hey, what's up? How you doing? This is Marvin Carter. And as stated, in the intro, we're going to talk about why you should be using right now to grow your business. Okay, the simple truth, if you are online and have a business right now, whether you're going to get on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, they all have something in common. People love watching videos on there. So if you can find a way to incorporate video into your marketing strategy, then it's going to be highly profitable for you in the end. Okay, and YouTube is definitely a prime location for it. Okay, so here's just some reasons. Okay, check out these stats. Okay, got this from a training done by Nathan Lucas that he did for my Elite System Pro. If you want to complete full blog post on that, it's in the description. Click on it, it'll take you right there, and you can look at everything in its entirety. Okay, so now why you should be using YouTube right now to grow your business. Okay, YouTube is the second most popular site on the internet, only second to Google, and Google does own YouTube. Okay, number two, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, only second to Google. And for those that didn't know, YouTube, when you go in there and you're searching for it, YouTube is its own search engine. So why wouldn't it be one of the best search engines on the planet? Because it's owned by Google. Okay, so that's something to think about. Okay, and on average, 8 out of 10, 80% of 18-year-olds to 49-year-olds watch YouTube. And I think that number may actually be more than 49, because I hear, I'm no spring chicken, but I hear people, that are older than me talk about watching YouTube. They love watching the things on YouTube. So I think that number may have changed. So this may just be a little bit outdated, but you get the picture. Okay, now on the mobile alone, on a mobile device, whether it's on your iPhone or Android phone or whatever mobile phone that you're using, YouTube reaches more than 18 to 49-year-olds than any broadcast or cable network. And in the day and era where people are getting rid of cable, they're cutting that cord, YouTube is there for them. Okay, now there are over 1 billion YouTube videos watched every single day. Over 1 billion with a B. Okay, YouTube videos watched every single day. Now, on average, YouTube gets over 1 billion mobile views per day. Okay, so you see how some consistencies here. You have a lot of views and a lot of mobile views. Okay, so it's definitely will benefit you to learn how to incorporate YouTube videos into your strategy. Okay, into your bringing some brand awareness and bringing some building know, like, and trust between you and your consumer base. Okay, and if you don't know what type of videos to create, just look on my channel. I created a video talking about what are the 5 best types of videos to create on YouTube that'll help you get started. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just do a quick recap. Okay, why you should be using YouTube. One, YouTube is the second most popular site on the internet. Now, some people that may be debatable between YouTube and Facebook. Okay, all right, YouTube is the second largest search engine on the planet, and YouTube seems to reach a demographic of 18 to 49-year-olds on their mobile devices, and then they're only getting more than 1 billion views a day on mobile devices too as well. So you definitely want to be incorporating YouTube. So being on YouTube is definitely the right time. Definitely hope you got value. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure that you click the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is Marvin Carter signing out. Peace, and I will see you in the very next video.